Why I am telling you? Because after that, Mahatma Gandhi and some other leaders, they tried a lot to start a movement against British people. Prior to this, in 1885, you know that in our country, INC was established. Indian National Congress was formed. But in that time, Indian National Congress was working, but it was just working as a tool under the control of British. Thanks to Mahatma Gandhi, you must be knowing about the name. He was known as, earlier also he is known as Bapu, Mahatma Gandhi. This person, he came back from South Africa. Actually, he was there in South Africa in the year 1893. He had been there to practice as a lawyer, and after that, after spending almost about 21 years time, Mahatma Gandhi came to India in the year 1950. When he came, actually, within 21 years, Mahatma Gandhi experimented one thing in South Africa. He found a tool how to organize the people and how to put a force, how to become a leader, how to against a government. Mahatma Gandhi, there he got an idea. And that idea was Satyagraha. This Satyagraha, Mahatma Gandhi, he tasted in South Africa. He was there in Natal. Natal is a place. It is in South Africa. Mahatma Gandhi in Natal, he tasted Satyagraha, and the white government was forced to do something better for the Indian people. And Mahatma Gandhi got success. Then Mahatma Gandhi realized, if I am getting success in South Africa, this must be applied to get freedom in India. And Mahatma Gandhi, in the year 1950, he came to India. और यहीं से हमारी हिस्ट्री शुरू होती है इंडिया की. So 1915, Mahatma Gandhi came to India, and really he was not happy to see the condition of the people of India, and he wanted to test what he developed in South Africa in India. He met with very many leaders, but Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Gokhale was a leader in the year 1915. In that year, Mahatma Gandhi met with him and discussed that what he learned in South Africa, what he developed in South Africa, and that he told to utilize, that he told to practice in India. Then Gokhale told Mahatma Gandhi, if you want to against the British people of India, so for that you have to tour, you have to move the whole Indian area. You should know about the sentiment and temperament of the people, what they are thinking. And while touring, you will get idea, and then you can start movement after that. Since he was the first person to whom Mahatma Gandhi met, so you can say Gokhale was the political guru of Mahatma Gandhi. After that, Mahatma Gandhi, in the right from 1915, after coming back from South Africa, started touring the whole India. In the year 1916, what he did, you know? At Champaran, यहाँ उन्होंने in favor of indigo planters, इन्होंने movement शुरू किया. And here also, what Mahatma Gandhi did, here also with the help of his tool. What was that? Satyagraha. Mahatma Gandhi got success here. Then Mahatma Gandhi in the year 1917, again he tested his experiment where? In Kheda. Where is Kheda? Pata hai aapko? Here also Mahatma Gandhi favored the people, farmer people. And again I am telling you, government was convinced, government realized the problem of the people. And again here, what Mahatma Gandhi wanted, government fulfilled. महात्मा गांधी को यहां भी सफलता मिल गई. Then in the year 1918, there was a problem in the mill of Ahmedabad. महात्मा गांधी वहां भी गए and he worked in favor of these people. He organized the workers. जब यहाँ के वर्कर्स नहीं हो गए तो महात्मा गांधी put pressure on the mill owner. And again I am telling you, in Ahmedabad, because of the role of Mahatma Gandhi, the mill owner fulfilled the demand of the workers. So Mahatma Gandhi tested his experiment, और इनके जितने टेस्ट थे महात्मा गांधी passed. He passed. After that, what happened? You know that World War was going on. You also know about that what situation and conditions were there in our country. Yes, Avitra, do you want to ask a question? Hello, Avitra. Okay. Hello. What you are telling? You are not audible, beta. Okay. So what happened after that? Here you know that World War also started. 1914 continued till 1918. During this time, Mahatma Gandhi supported. Mahatma Gandhi started movement, Satyagraha movement. And to the British, Mahatma Gandhi supported the World War, supported British in the World War. Do you know what Mahatma Gandhi was thinking? As soon as the war would be over, everything will be alright, and we Indian people again will enjoy everything. He was thinking over that. इनका यह कहना था. But the problem that was there, that the prices of the cost increasing, the prices of the things increasing, the people were suffering a lot. Income tax was introduced. Not only this, even influenza spread. Actually, in the year 1919 and 20, and every 100 years we people see the epidemic. And that epidemic at that time also it was pandemic. At present, like what corona you see. So there in India, 13 million people died, and British did not do anything. This incident, that what happened there because of First World War, Mahatma Gandhi was not happy, and Mahatma Gandhi started thinking a plan to start a new movement. So he was trying to convince British people, but what happened? Actually, the people were very much aggressive in India. They wanted freedom. So in the year 1919, in the month of March, कहाँ ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट को देना था भारत के लोगों को सुविधा. They were to give facility to the people. They were to provide some concession to the people. They were to lower down the cost of the things. और ये ना करके क्या कर दिया उसने? Rowlatt Act was introduced. Do you know Rowlatt Act? This Rowlatt Act made Britishers very much strong. What was that? Means arresting the political activities and political people and putting them in detention without any trial for 2 years. Actually, British government, what they wanted to curb down the movement of the people of India. This Rowlatt Act, what they did, provided Mahatma Gandhi a chance to unite the people of India and to start a movement. Against this Rowlatt Act that was passed hurriedly in the year 1919, इस एक्ट के अगेंस्ट महात्मा गांधी, याद रखेंगे डेट 6 अप्रैल, he was not in Punjab, he was there in Palwal, he was there in Haryana. वहां से he started a movement. The name of the movement was Rowlatt Satyagraha. Mahatma Gandhi started Rowlatt Satyagraha on 6 April 1919. There were strikes everywhere. The people came on the road. Situation was becoming daily worse. Situation was getting worse day by day. Then what happened? 10th April, what happened? 2 people were arrested in Punjab. Do you know who were these people? Who were these 2 people? One was Dr. Satyapal, and second, Saifuddin Kichlu. These 2 people were arrested, and arrestation of these 2 people in Punjab created a problem. It was so severe that government was forced to impose martial law. Do you know martial law? Army rule. Army rule means martial law was imposed on 10th April. Again, the people started disrupting the services of bank, disrupting the services of railway, post offices everywhere. Again, movement was getting day by day worse. On 13 April. You know why this date is famous? Because of Baisakhi festival in Punjab. The problem was, where was the problem in Punjab? Mahatma Gandhi कहाँ थे? Palwal में. Here on 13th April, Baisakhi day. It was decided, the Indian leader decided to have a meeting on 13th April, and they were to gather in Jallianwala Bagh Maidan. In Jallianwala Bagh. They were to gather here in Jallianwala Bagh, all the leaders. So they were coming. The leaders were knowing that martial law had been imposed, but their numbers were very much limited. So they were coming simply. And at that time, General Dyer was in charge of Amritsar. And this Jallianwala Bagh was not inside the town. Jallianwala Bagh, presently Antony is in the town, but at that time, this is the story of 1919, at that time Jallianwala Bagh was outside the Amritsar city. Here, some other people, there, because in Jallianwala Bagh, Mela was also organized. Every year Mela was organized. So some people were coming to attend the Mela fair, and some people, deliberately they were coming to attend a meeting over the martial law. General Dyer did not speak a single word. He allowed them, yes, come. And there were thousands of people, they gathered in Jallianwala Bagh. 2 types of people were there. One, the people, those who were leaders. Other, the innocent people from the village side. They were coming, they gathered there to buy something. There were 4 exits. General Dyer closed all the 3 exits. At one exit he stood there and started indiscriminate firing over the people of India. The people, those who were gathering, those who gathered there. Hazaron log, 1,000 people, I am telling you, beta, they were killed. This happened. Situation became very much tense. Actually, General Dyer, why did he do so? Do you know? He did so to create a feeling of terror in the mind of the people. That next time they will not do. Next time they would not come to the ground. Next time they would not against the British people. So for that reason, Dyer created a feeling of terror. People became also violent. They came on the road, started attacking on British people. Thousands of people were killed. Even Mahatma Gandhi, who was coming to Chandigarh from Delhi, he was not allowed to enter Delhi. From Palwal, he was arrested. Mahatma Gandhi saw that English people, they were bombing, they were flogging the people of India. Even I am telling you, the people were forced to rub their nose on the ground. And when they see the English people, they had to do the salam. लोगों को नाक रगड़ के जमीन पर गली में चलने के लिए बोला गया. दिस वॉज द कंडीशन. आई एम टेलिंग यू ऑन 15th and 16th April. This was the situation, beta. So Mahatma Gandhi, actually what Mahatma Gandhi wanted, Mahatma Gandhi's intention was to start the movement which is non-violent. And this movement, was this movement non-violent? No. So here Mahatma Gandhi called off this Royal Satyagraha movement. A movement was called off. And now Mahatma Gandhi started thinking, by this movement was limited to towns only. The village people, they were not very much familiar about the movement. So Mahatma Gandhi started thinking to start a broad movement. And then, what to be done, Mahatma Gandhi? He wanted to united to join hands with Muslim people, but he was not getting chance. But what happened in the year 1919, again I am telling you, situation was in favor of Mahatma Gandhi. Here in the World War, do you know which country was defeated? Which country was defeated, do you know? Ottoman Turkey. Ottoman Turkey lost in the war. And who was the head of Ottoman Turkey? Muslim. And that Muslim, he was the spiritual head of the world. And after that defeat, there was a rumor that British government trying to defame the authority or the authority of the spiritual head of Muslims. It was in rumor कि वो चाहते हैं कि हम Ottoman Turkey के पावर को छीन ले. British government was, they couldn't, it was a rumor, not real. And on the issue of that, I am telling you, in India, Muslim people, they started a movement. The name was Muhammad Ali. Muhammad Ali plus Shaukat Ali. These two people, they were brothers. ये दोनों भाई, इन लोगों ने against English people, they formed a Khilafat committee. Khilafat committee. And Mahatma Gandhi saw this a very good opportunity so as to join hands with Muslim people. Mahatma Gandhi met with Shaukat Ali and Muhammad Ali, and after meeting, Mahatma Gandhi started favoring the movement of Khilafat movement, and he also convinced that now we are meeting at real time because we people have to start a joint movement. I will favor your movement and you have to favor our movement. What was that? Mahatma Gandhi started favoring Khilafat movement. Mahatma Gandhi told the people that what British government is trying to do, it is unjust. Means he favored Muslim. Muslim community also favored non-cooperation movement. Have you ever thought why non-cooperation movement? महात्मा गांधी ने इस NCM का ही नाम क्यों लिया? Why? Actually, Mahatma Gandhi, I told you that he supported the involvement of India in the World War. He supported British for that. But after some time when World War was over, Mahatma Gandhi was thinking that British government could provide some relief to us. And in spite of providing relief, what happened? Taxes were increased, the cost of things rose up. This happened. Apart from that, Rowlatt Act was passed hurriedly. So Mahatma Gandhi thought that this British government, they are ruling in our country because of our cooperation. We have cooperated and we are cooperating. We have been cooperating. If we take our cooperation, this government will not run. This government would not run. So here what happened? Mahatma Gandhi ne in the year 1909, there was a book. उस बुक का नाम क्या था? हिंद स्वराज. In Hind Swaraj book, he wrote that in our country, if we want to get success, if we want to get freedom, if we want to get freedom from English people, for that we people should take our cooperation from British. Then they will go. Because of our cooperation, this British government, they are getting benefit. So Mahatma Gandhi in that book, he wrote about that, and here also Mahatma Gandhi was very much understood about the situation. So Mahatma Gandhi decided to launch NCM. हमें इसके अंग्रेजों के मूवमेंट में अगेंस्ट करना हम लोग. And for that I am telling you, Mahatma Gandhi to started touring extensively in the whole part of our country along with Khilafat leaders. Even I am telling you, Mahatma Gandhi in Kolkata conference in the year 1920, this conference was held in September 1920. Mahatma Gandhi convinced the Congress leaders that I, along with the other people of India, were going to start a non-cooperation movement along with Khilafat movement. And the name of my movement will be Khilafat and Non-Cooperation Movement. Mahatma Gandhi convinced the Congress leaders in the year 1920 September at Calcutta. After 3 months, in Nagpur again, Congress conference was to be held in the year 1920. Here also I am telling you, Mahatma Gandhi not convinced. Mahatma Gandhi forced the leader to pass this NCM in Congress meeting, and certainly Mahatma Gandhi became successful. And in December 1920, Congress party adopted this non-cooperation movement as a part of Congress movement. Actually, Mahatma Gandhi was not the member of Congress, but Mahatma Gandhi, you can say, he was very much associated with the Congress. So he, in the year September 1920, Calcutta, he convinced, and Nagpur conference, Mahatma Gandhi forced the Congress, and Congress adopted this program. कांग्रेस ने इस प्रोग्राम को अडॉप्ट करवा दिया. एंड इन द ईयर 1921 क्या हुआ? इन द ईयर 1921 द नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट स्टार्टेड इन आवर कंट्री. सो फर्स्ट आई एम टू टेल दैट एक्चुअली Indian people were not properly trained about this non-cooperation movement. Gandhiji, along with, I am telling you, Gandhiji along with Shaukat Ali Muhammad Ali toured But these 3 and 4 people or some other leaders, they made the people aware how to start the movement. They were doing this prior to December 1920, going village to village, making the people aware. But have you ever thought, foreign leader, is it possible to go to each and every village? So in basically main village or main town, these people were going and trying to make aware about the programs. बिकॉज महात्मा गांधी जान रहे थे कि सत्याग्रह हमारा फेल हो गया, तो ये जो सोच रहे थे कि माई नॉन कमर्शियल मूवमेंट शुड नॉट फेल. तो महात्मा गांधी मेड द पीपल अवेयर अबाउट द प्रोग्राम. वो प्रोग्राम क्या था? दैट द वन वाज द सरेंडर ऑफ टाइटल्स. पहला काम करेंगे, इफ वी रिसीव एनी टाइटल्स फ्रॉम इंग्लिश. Actually, it is just I am trying to tell you about the part of non-commercial movement. तो पहला काम ये करें कि we people will surrender the titles that what we have got. Then Mahatma Gandhi told, immediately after some time, election is to be held. We people will boycott the legislative council election. We will not participate in the election. Next, what they said? Boycott the law courts. Made the people aware to boycott the government offices, boycott the schools, boycott the colleges. These were the certain programs, and most important thing what Mahatma Gandhi told, these movements must be non-violent. Everywhere the movement started. Let me say what happened in the town area. Actually, I made you aware in PPT, I told you कि भाई टाउन एरिया में लोगों ने कैसे मूवमेंट को लिया. एक्चुअली महात्मा गांधी, शौकत अली, मोहम्मद अली, अदर लीडर्स, दे tried a lot to convince, they tried a lot to make the people aware how to start. But still I am telling you, the people, they define the movement in their own way. In township, actually the people, they followed the program of Mahatma Gandhi, and their intention was to get Swaraj. But after some time, what happened? The movement slowed down. You know about it. Then I am telling you about the movement that was there in village area, countryside area. May I know about the name of person? He belonged to our area. There he started this non-cooperation movement. Basically, he did not start. Because of the role of Jawaharlal Nehru, the movement started by Awadh Kisan, that became the part of the Congress movement, and Congress ने adopt किया था movement को. Which movement? Non-cooperation movement. So here I am telling you, for what reason village people participated in this movement. In this village I am telling you, जो लोगों ने participate किया, because they were overburdened with heavy taxation. बहुत ज्यादा उन पर टैक्सेशन था. Apart from that, here I am telling you, they were to pay high revenues. High revenues were to be paid. So against they wanted the poor people under the leadership of Baba Ramchandra Das. Do you know Baba Ramchandra Das? Baba Ramchandra Das was an indentured laborer who came from Fiji, and to see the problems of peasants, organized them into one, and he against the rich people. One problem was there here. The movement was not against English. That was the main problem. Here the movement was against the rich people, and these rich people belong to India. Who were rich people? Tamil Das and Jamidas. These were the rich people against whom Baba Ramchandra Das against. And this Baba Ramchandra Das, he stopped the services to be given to these people. Which services were there? Nai, Dhobi, Ban. They wanted to freedom. They wanted to get freedom from Begar system. they wanted to get reduction in the revenue. These things wanted, and for that reason, they arrested Jamindar Talukdar. After some time, Jawaharlal Nehru, he came to this area, and with the help of Baba Ramchandra Das, he organized Awadh Kisan Sabha, and within a month, hundreds of Awadh Kisan Sabha are formed. And here also I am telling you, Congress adopted this their movement, but after some time Congress realized that in this movement what Baba Ramchandra Das with the help of Awadh Kisan Sabha were doing, they are against the Indian people, because Indian people were made Jamindars and Talukdars. So Congress party wholeheartedly did not support this movement. Then about the tribal people, tribal area, jungle area, what happened? There was, Sitaram Alluri Raju. Generally he is known as Raju. This Sitaram, he was the tribal leader, and he was also not happy with the English. Do you know what was the problem in tribal area? You must be knowing, I think that in class 9 I made you aware about the problem of tribal people. That jungle law was made, and in that jungle, what was the situation? These people, means traditional tribal people, were not allowed to graze their cattle, were not allowed to do any activity in jungle. Means they were forced to give up their traditional life to the jungle. That these tribal people did not want. So to get the traditional life, to get their land back, to get the right to graze their animal in jungle, they got themselves united under the leadership of Raju. And Raju, what the people were telling, that the person was magical, he could heal up anybody. So this Raju became leader, and Raju arrested, told the people to wear khadi, gave up drinking. And only one thing that he told wrong to the people, that you have, if you want to get liberty from the English people, you have to attack, you have to kill the British people. That was wrong, because Mahatma Gandhi, his movement was to be what? Non-violent. But he was, Sitaram Alluri Raju was not telling about the non-violent. He forced them to carry violence, then they will get success. So this was the situation of tribal people. Again I am telling about plantation area, what happened. Swaraj in plantation, yesterday I made a PPT to you, and what did you study from that? उसमें आप पाएंगे कि स्वराज प्लांटेशन एरिया आसाम साइड में there was a law. What was the law? The Land Immigration Act, and this was passed in the year 1859. ये लॉ बनाया गया था. What was that? कि the people, those who are working in the tea company, tea plantation, without permission, they would not leave the area. They would not leave the campus. And as soon as they heard about the non-cooperation movement, these people, I am telling you, started coming, going outside, started breaking the rule of the tea bagan and telling the people that up to Gandhi Raj would come, we people would get land in our villages, and by telling they started moving from that area, and they stranded at the station. But they never reached the home. They tried a lot to go to home, but they never reached home. Do you know why? Because on the same day, in the name of non-cooperation movement, there was a strike of railway, a strike of transport. Somehow they managed to reach to the station, but no train. They were standing there, and after that, the police came and arrested them, and these people were beaten up brutally over that. Here also I am telling you what happened. Okay. Anyway. So what we see everywhere, movement become violent. So here Mahatma Gandhi was thinking over that, and in the year 1922 in Gorakhpur area, in the name of non-cooperation movement, 22 policemen were burnt alive at Chauri Chaura. Everywhere non-violent, everywhere violent, and here Chauri Chaura, the policemen were burnt. So Mahatma Gandhi thought, and all of a sudden Mahatma Gandhi thought that, no, I did not provide proper training to the people, so everywhere the people became violent. And on that issue, Mahatma Gandhi called off this non-cooperation movement. Here I want to make you aware. So if any question that you have, you can ask from me if you want to understand this topic over the non-cooperation movement. If you want to ask, anyone? Did you understand the non-cooperation movement?